Hello everyone! Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel! So, meron lang akong i-update guys about sa nangyari sa aking channel. So, May 7, 12:51 PM, Bahrain time, naka-receive ako ng email galing kay YouTube na yung aking channel ay na-demonetize dahil daw sa reuse content. So, hindi ko alam kung alin sa mga video ko ang na-reuse kasi most sa mga video ko original naman about cooking. So, binigyan ako ni YouTube ng hanggang May 28 na dapat ma-actionan ko hanggang May 28. And then, kung hindi daw ako maka-appeal ng hanggang May 28, so mag-aantay ako ng 3 months. Mag-a-apply ulit ako after 3 months. So, hindi ko na pinatagal guys. Talagang gumawa agad ako ng aksyon. Gumawa ako ng sarili kong video. Nag-apply ako kay YouTube. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung ginawa kong video para na-action na naman agad. So, guys, panoorin nyo kung paano ko ginawa yung video at sana matapos yung video hanggang sa dulo. So, doon ko sasabihin kung ano ang nangyari within 24 hours. So, let's start, guys. Hi YouTube team, as of today, May 7, 12:51 PM Bahrain time, our team of policy specialists carefully looked over your channel, Cecilia Blog. We found that significant portion of your channel is not aligned with our YouTube Partner Program or YPP policies. As of today, your channel is not eligible to monetize and you will not have to access the monetization tools and pictures. My channel name Cecilia Blog and here's my URL. I would like to appeal my application for monetization and showing the process how I create my content and addressing my videos does not content violating monetization policy. My channel contains is many different like blogging, cooking, and gardening. I would like to show you how I film my videos and these gadgets. And this is my phone taking the videos, and I have tripod and I have a laptop. This is how I edit my videos using the application InShot. First, and this is how I edit my videos. Like example, this is my own video. I'm making Arabic recipe. This is how I edit my video using the InShot application. This is my daily vlog. Hello everyone! Cooking. Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. So guys, kung nakarating ka sa dulo ng aking video, please don't forget to like and comment. So yun lang guys for today's video. Thanks for watching. Happy eating! So guys, I use application PixArt for my thumbnail. So this is how I edit my thumbnail using the PixArt. Like example, this color. So I need to put in the 16:9. Okay. It's Arabic recipe. So that's it. So that's how I edit my thumbnail using the PixArt application. I'm hoping your team reconsidered my videos to part of YouTube program. Thank you so much for your kindness and God bless. So yun na nga guys, so nag-appeal ako May 7 around the 11:50 Bahrain time before bedtime. So nag-appeal ako, nag-send ako ng video sa kay YouTube at ito na nga ang naging resulta guys. So pagising ko the next day, May 8 around 6:18 in the morning Bahrain time. So naka-receive ako ng email at ito yung email ni YouTube sa akin. So guys, sabay-sabay natin basahin yung email ni YouTube sa akin. So, ito na nga guys, in the next day, May 8, 6:18 in the morning, ito yung aking na-receive. Hi, Cecilia Vlog. We are happy to share that your YouTube program appeal was successful and your channel can now monetize again. Our team carefully reviewed both of your content and your video appeal. Your appeal helped us to better understand how to create your videos, your content strategy, and your channel's brand. Thanks for submitting an appeal and for your patience while we receive it. We realize this was extra work for you and we appreciate your help in improving your review processes. Thanks, the YouTube team. So, yun na nga guys, good news, di ba? Wala pang 24 hours na approve na ako ni YouTube. So guys, huwag kayong matakot kung ma-reuse content kayo as long as yung mga videos original talaga, di ba? So, listen learn talaga guys. Siguro nagkakamali din si YouTube, tao lang. Kaya naman wala pang 24 hours talagang inuprabahan na yung aking video appeal. So guys, sana nasundan nyo yung video at makatulong. So, thank you so much guys for always support my video. God bless everyone.